All right, once the connectors have been placed on both sides, that's female on the light side and male on the wired side, you're going to place the inserts into the end of the sockets to provide security and protection. The orange one goes on the light side, the green one goes on the wired side. They simply snap in place. And once that's done, take a look at your two connectors. Make sure that red, white, and black are going to line up. And then snap them together. And as you can see, black to black, white to white, red to red, obviously critical. And once that's done, you can commence to putting your light assembly back in place and testing out your lights.